And news just coming in, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has slammed the Mufti Mohammad Saeed government in Jammu and Kashmir for giving in to the separatist agenda. Speaking to India Today, senior RSS leader Indresh Kumar expressed deep disappointment at the way terrorists have gained an upper hand in the state during Mufti Mohammad Saeed's regime, adding Kashmir would never forgive PDP for wasting a chance for peace. Let's listen in.
You have worked on state of Jammu and Kashmir for a very long time. Now there is a BJP, PDP government in the state of Jammu Kashmir in the last 7 months. There is an increasing perception that it is a pro-separatist movement has gained upper hand ever since this government has come. Do you feel that the BJP has erred in entering into this alliance and your core ideology has been compromised? What's your take on this?
ऐसा है कि राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ की कोर आइडियोलॉजी से कोई समझौता नहीं हुआ है। बीजेपी ने अपना सैक्रिफाइस करके पीडीपी और कश्मीर को सही रास्ते पर लाने के लिए एक रास्ता दिया। मैं अभी अप्रैल के अंदर जम्मू कश्मीर में था, तब मैंने पीडीपी को कहा आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली थी बीजेपी के समर्थन से, अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली थी कि आप जम्मू कश्मीर और देश के सामने और मुख्यमंत्री की शपथ लेने के बाद कोई ऐसा एजेंडा रखेंगे जो विकास से जुड़ा होगा, शिक्षा से जुड़ा होगा, रोजगार से जुड़ा होगा, स्वास्थ्य से जुड़ेगा। पर दुर्भाग्य है पीडीपी का और कश्मीर का कि उनके मुख्यमंत्री ने विकास को रखने की बजाय उन्होंने अफजल गुरु की हड्डियां लाओ, मशरत को छोड़ दो। मैंने क्या अफजल गुरु की हड्डियां लाने से और मशरत को छोड़ने से क्या जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों को विकास मिलेगा, बंदूक से मुक्ति मिलेगी, क्या उनको कट्टरता से निकलेंगे, क्या उनको रोजगार मिलेगा? अगर ये सब नहीं मिलेगा तो फिर आप कट्टरता परोस कर जम्मू कश्मीर के अंदर और किस बात को कर रहे हैं? शायद बीजेपी की सैक्रिफाइस के लिए तो जम्मू उनको माफ़ कर दे, पर पीडीपी को और अलगाववादियों की उनकी कट्टरता के लिए कश्मीर घाटी कभी माफ़ नहीं करेगी।
Very strong words coming in from senior RSS leader Indresh Kumar there. I want to bring in my colleague Brijesh Pandey for more on this. Brijesh, is this the RSS virtually red flagging the BJP-PDP alliance, saying this is not an alliance which is working for development of J&K, only the separatists and terrorists are being strengthened?
Well, absolutely. And I think this is for the first time, Gaurav, that a senior RSS leader has confessed what has been going on in the mind of polity watcher for a long time. Because, ever since this government has come into power in Jammu and Kashmir, there has been a growing apprehension within the BJP about whether they have politically erred in entering into an alliance with the PDP. But officially, they all maintain that everything is gung-ho and there is no problem with this alliance. But this particular conversation clearly reveals that there's a great degree of unease both within the RSS as well as in the BJP, that they have erred politically by entering into an alliance. And if very soon some drastic course correction is not done, they fear that, that this alliance might lead to several political catastrophe as far as the BJP is concerned. Gaurav?
Okay. And did Indresh Kumar in that conversation with you suggest the mid-course correction, or whether he had made any suggestions to the BJP leadership, whether at the state or at the central level?
Well, he did not elaborate much on what kind of course correction the RSS has suggested to the BJP, but he was very clear in the interview that if the BJP and if the PDP does not do a course correction, then it will be politically suicidal for both the BJP as well as the PDP. And he said that, that if they will try their level best to convince their electorate or their voters of why they entered into this alliance, it will be extremely suicidal for the PDP, because the state of Jammu and Kashmir will never forgive them for the kind of opportunity they got and the kind of opportunity they squandered. Gaurav?
Brijesh, that's a massive story that you broke here on India Today. We will keep getting more reactions on that huge development that's taking place. Indresh Kumar is a very senior Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh leader, and he's telling the PDP in Jammu and Kashmir they had a historic mandate with the BJP and this is being squandered. It's only the separatists and terrorists who are gaining the upper hand and not the agenda for development.